About the sources, first of all the plant, and you know the green plants make their own food with the help of water, carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll pigment. What they make? Their food, okay, glucose plus oxygen. So the other name of the plant we give them producers or autotrophs, because they make their own food, they doesn't depend upon others, okay, that's why they call producer or autotrophs. So photosynthesis is the process in which plant make their food in the presence of sunlight with the help of carbon dioxide, water, okay. Now the parts of the plant that we eat are called, वो पार्ट्स जो प्लांट के हम खाते हैं उन पार्ट्स को क्या कहते हैं बेटा? एडिबल पार्ट्स. लाइक I take the example, the parts of the plant that we eat are called edible parts. So edible parts जो हम खाते हैं प्लांट के वो पार्ट, जैसे कि रूट की बात करें, the root of some plants like carrot, radish, these are the modified roots, okay. यहाँ हम रूट ही खा रहे हैं, ये सब क्या है? रूट्स हैं, okay. Then given the example of stems. So stems, yes, I know. You said potato, okay, and onion. Many examples we give for that, but I give given two. So we eat that potato or onion. That what part we eat? The stem. And if we eat the carrot or radish, what part we eat? Roots. Okay. So now, in previous video we talk about the root and stem, the edible part of root and stem. Now the leaves of some plant like cabbage. Cabbage is also the modification of the leaf. Cabbage, spinach, palak, then flowers, yes. So broccoli, ठीक, okay, broccoli जो है लगेगा, कॉलीफ्लावर ग्रीन कलर की होती है बेटा, okay. Then fruits, we talk about the fruits, yes, the flowers of the fruit which we eat, that is tomato, these are the part which we eat, tomato, brinjal, these are the part, okay. Then seeds, all the cereals and pulses, cereals, pulses, these all are the seed, okay. What the parts of the plant? This is the root which we discussed, you all know. This is stem, this is leaf, bud and flower, you all know. These are the part of. When we draw the diagram, that time we write down on one side, that look nice, na? The parts of plants, flower, bud, leaf, stem and roots, okay. So these are the most important parts. Roots we talk about the carrot, radish, stem, potato, onion, leaf, spinach, cabbage, na? What part we eat, na? And the flower, broccoli, cauliflower. Now one other activity is given in this, that to make sprouts of green moong seeds or pulses. So moong pulse, water and muslin we required. Soak some मूंग, you know, मम्मा भी अब करती होंगी कि मूंग की जो दाल है उससे मूंग को भिगो देती होंगी रात भर और फिर पानी निकाल देती हैं और फिर उसे वेट मसलिन क्लोथ में यानी कपड़े में बांध देती हैं गीले, और कुछ पानी उसमें छिड़कती रहती हैं, और 3-4 दिन में व्हाट वी सी द स्प्राउट्स कम्स आउट फ्रॉम द सीड, उसमें से स्प्राउट्स निकल आते हैं, स्प्राउटेड सीड्स दैट आर रिच इन विटामिन सी. So wash them and eat as per your liking, and when you add some okay.